Yeah, man. Now clean up that little place here now, eh? Yeah. If you're hard man have to work with the money. Yeah, man. All of this look fun. Yeah. All of this plant out already with some okra, you know. This alright as I know. This morning me just done do this a piece you know, done plow it up. There go some tomato in that piece so. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See you, man. Farmer Rye, man. Yeah. So me have here so. If back here now for plow up. Man. Plow up here so. Yeah, man. And there so same way. Yeah, man. Corn on the front out there so. Yeah. Yeah, man. Farmer Rye again, man. Yeah. Man. And yeah. Pumpkin coming in same way. Yeah, man. Hot peppers. Sorrel over there coming in again. Yeah, man.